So we start by twisting the wire. So just give it a good twist. And then I have my soldering iron set to 370 degrees Celsius. And I'm using leaded solder. So I'm gonna start by turning on the fume extractor. Actually, before I do that, I'll tell you what I'm gonna do because it's gonna be pretty loud. First, I'm gonna completely drench this tip in solder so that it's really soaked all the way through. Then I'm gonna pre-tin the pad, and then when both of them are pretty heavy with solder, I'll put them together and melt them together, reflow them together. So we need a lot of solder in here. So you might burn your bench if you do it like me, but I don't care about my bench. Give it a good shake too. Then we have no overflow, just a good soaked in amount. And then we're gonna wet this, so just start fresh. And this chisel tip is, you want to use just a full big wide area of it. So I like to just lay it down all the way. You know, I can balance it up and down until I know the flat side is really squished in. And then I can fill in the gaps. Make sure there's really good thermal contact. And then as I let go, I can just fill in a bit extra. And there's a good big blob on there. So you want to make sure that this is nice and lined up. You want to check if there's some components around here, other pads, you know, make sure you're not going to short anything, line it up, and then just I'm going to pre-tin the iron a little bit, and then just squish it down. This might take a while to let the heat go all the way through. You can wiggle it around, make sure you have good contact. Oh, slip there. Yeah, and then when you let go, that just happened to me. When you let go, it's the wire can spring. So just carefully let go while you hold the wire still. Yeah, the trick is to make sure there's good thermal contact all the way through, and be patient. All right.